Dylan, and I was going to talk about our modified flipped model classroom. In our French class, we only meet twice a week, where we then go over homework, answer questions, and review. The 2 other days of the week, we have both a conversation day and an independent work day to further our learning in the subject. We also, for homework, use YouTube videos combined with notes from the textbook in order to learn the grammar topics by ourselves.
The independent work improved our independent skills. At first it was difficult to learn the curriculum by ourselves, but as weeks passed we improved.
Using the videos for homework was in part helpful because you got to see the grammar topics explained, but because you couldn't interact with the videos and ask questions to them, that made it a little bit more difficult. About 10 out of 12 of our students think that the flipped model is more difficult and prefer the traditional model for language learning.
On Mondays, we met with another teacher to go over speaking in our conversation day, which was actually very beneficial because we were able to practice our speaking skills, which we don't always get to do in class because we're focusing on homework or getting a specific, problem solved. But this way we can speak about the grammar topic in a more general sense.
Also with the flipped instruction model, since we only met 2 times a week with the teacher, it was hard to check in with everyone to make sure everyone was on the same track with the material.
Many of the students would have rather worked on grammar and taking notes with the teacher in class rather than trying to learn that out of class and then not going over just homework in class.
I also personally felt like what Matt just said applies to me as well, in that the flipped schedule didn't allow for as much time for us to do notes in class or specifically hammer home a certain topic. So it would have been nice to have some more class time to do notes.